My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up scam by the site Operatenewestcompletelyinfo-program.info. This is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome browser and other browsers. Very soon it may actually redirect your browser to many shady and pretty dangerous places in the internet. So if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them, do not tolerate them, and do not install what they promote. Such pop-ups may also redirect you to some Russian sites, which probably means that there are some Russian hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. Anyway, do not tolerate them, do not install what these pop-ups promote. Instead, I recommend you to leave this page and immediately scan your system with the help of reliable security software. I recommend you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start thoroughly researching the system in order to detect and eliminate all other types of threats which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.